stuck your head under the fence. Come here, buddy. Come here. There you go. Oh. Now quit doing that. Good Lord. Yeah, that's my cow. Genius. Alright, go on now. Go on. Yep, this is my little problem child. Went through the damn fence. Go on. You guys want to see what happens when Kylo gets out? That's a good start. Now Hamish is out. I can't get him back in by myself. So now I'm sitting here. Kylo's up at the top of the hill. Well, this is what happens when your cows get loose. Kylo's back up the top of the hill there. I can't get him back down without letting Hamish up. I've been chasing him around for an hour now. I'm about to have a freaking heart attack. Bleeding all over the place. I've never wanted to kill a cow so bad in my life. So now I'm just kind of sitting here waiting for one of my neighbors to show up. Hopefully he will. Sitting here waiting for him to show up so he can give me a hand with this thing. I'm gonna kill these cows. Well, I finally got the cows back in, only to discover that while I was chasing Kylo, I've now lost my wallet. So, I'm trying to backtrack my steps, hoping I'll spot it. Of course, it's only green, so I'm sure that'll be real easy to fucking see. Well, we didn't find my wallet. Searched until it got too dark to be able to see, so kind of screwed up my plans for the next few days at least. Still gonna go back in the morning and take another look around. Basically what happened is I had turned off the fence because I was working on the barn, and Kylo decided to go ahead and walk on through it. Trouble is, he wouldn't go back through. So when I was trying to run him back up through there, he just kept running along the fence line. There's a big break there in the fence line where I basically had to put a fence across my fence, you know, after we lost the property next door. So effectively that shut off his avenue, and the only place he could go was up the hill towards the place he wasn't supposed to be. That's Kylo. So I went running up the hill after him. Tried to chase him back down, and I almost got him turned around, and I turned around and Hamish is coming up the hill. He had done the same thing. So I figured the best thing to do is at least keep Hamish, you know, down. So, you know, I was on it's a pretty steep slope, and I was kind of running down at him, yelling and hollering, and, you know, basically turned him around, got him back down the hill, But every time I started back up to go look for Kylo, Hamish would start back up the hill again. So basically, I just had to sit halfway up the hill, you know, to keep Hamish at bay until my buddy got over here. And, you know, then I went ahead and chased Hamish on down, and he went up and found Kylo and chased him down the hill. And we finally got the wire back up. Anyway, somewhere during the chase, probably when I was running through them briars, I lost my wallet. You know, my debit card, driver's license, all that. You know, what I really hate is I had, you know, those little wallet-sized photos of your kids. I had one of my daughter from every year. So, like I said, I'm going to go back up tomorrow and look some more. You know, all part of owning cattle. Especially ones like Kylo. You know, so that's, you know, it's part of the game, you know. Anyway, we'll see what happens.